Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an second English language class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, lesson 18, revision, exercise 2 and 4. So let's see our today's class 3, subject English language. Topic revision, lesson 18, exercise 2-4, term half-yearly, lecture 19, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's class. Open a book, open your enjoying grammar book and go to page number 59, okay, 59, 60, 61. So let's start the class. So simple present tense. Read these sentences. I eat an apple every day. My father reads the newspaper at 6 o'clock every morning. My father works in a factory. So the simple present tense is used to show actions that are repeated. These sentences describe the present situation. The sun rises in the east. This is also a universal truth. The earth revolves around the sun. This is also a universal truth. And the action is repeated. These sentences describe actions that are true for all times. This action, we read the sentences, are true for all things, all times, means universal truth. We use verb plus s or verb es with singular nouns and pronouns such as he, she, it. So after he, she, it, we will add s or es after the main verb. Ravi loves sweets. Ravi, one person, third person singular number, we will add s after the verb. She, one person. That's why we have to add s or es after the verb. She washes the plates. We use the base form of the verb with plural nouns and pronouns such as I, you, we and they. So if we find I, we, you and they, we will not add s or es after the verb. Okay? So I like to play games. Varun and Sheila walk to school. So Varun and Sheila, two persons. That's why we are not adding s or es after the verb. So this is the discussion of simple present tense. So let's go to exercise 2 and 4. So we are not doing exercise 1. We are not doing exercise 3. We will do just exercise 2 and 4. So let's see. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. So Nilima walks to school every morning. Nilima, one person. That's why we have to add s or es after the verb. Number 2, it is our beautiful day today. It, third person singular number. That's why we have to use is, okay, after it. It is a beautiful day today. Number 3, my dogs Jimmy and Tommy always barks at the postman. So Jimmy and Tommy, two dogs. That's why we have to give bark. Okay, no s or es. A subject is plural. Number 4, do you like chocolate milk? So here subject is you. So the verb will be like. And if a sentence starts with the auxiliary verb do, does, did, the verb always will be in present form. No s or es. So do you like chocolate milk? Number 5, Robert do or does not want to play cricket. So Robert, one person. That's why our verb will be does. Robert does not want to play cricket. Number 6, the bus leaves at 8 a.m. So the bus, how many bus? One bus. That's why we have to add s or es after the verb. So the bus leaves at 8 a.m. Number 7, Janet cleans her desk every Sunday. So Janet, one person. That's why we have to add s after the verb. Janet cleans her desk every Sunday. Number 8. Raja and Varsha enjoys playing the piano. So Raja and Varsha, two persons. That's why the verb will be enjoy. No S or es after the verb because Raja and Varsha, two persons. Let's go to exercise 4. Rearrange the following words and write the sentences in the simple present tenses. Number 1, my brother parties enjoy. So first subject, my brother, then enjoys parties. Why we are adding s? Because my brother, third person singular number, that's why we are adding s here. Next one. 2, sister, your friendly Lou. So subject is your sister. So your sister is a subject. Your sister, how many sister? One sister. That's why we have to add s after the verb. So your sister looks friendly. Friendly, friendly. Okay. Here your sister, third person singular number. That's why we are adding s after the verb. Okay. Rita and Renu ice cream like. So our subject is Rita and Renu. So Rita and Renu, two persons, two girls. So verb will be plural. No s or es after the verb. Rita and Renu like ice cream. Number 4. Go the market to we Saturdays 1. Subject is we, then verb go. Subject is we have no s or es after the verb. We go to the market on Saturdays. Number 5. She study every day. She study every day. So she, after she, verb, we will add s or es after the verb. She studies. She studies. We're adding s or es. She studies every day. Number 6. My play brothers basketballs. So subject is my brothers. My brothers, and verb will be play. No s or es as my brothers. Subject is plural. Play basketball. Play. My brothers. 7. Milk drink I morning every. So subject is I, verb is drink. No s or es. I drink milk every morning. Last one. 8. Teacher my like music. So my teacher, how many teacher? One teacher. That's why we will add s or es after the verb likes. So my teacher likes music. Okay. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.